Okay, boys, we are in the NSX. This thing is crazy. I'm pumped for it. What are you loading into the FK8?
You're
Okay.
500 horsepower.
The NSX doesn't got a lot, but it feels real smooth with it. I'm just pulled off the off ramp.
That sounds kind of trash.
Does it?
It's really quiet, but it's quick. That NSX is clean with it.
Right?
Dude, this FK8 is so nice.
I love that. It's got like a Forza wing on it.
Yeah. Brake.
Oh.
Brake.
Okay. Here we go.
Brake. Shit.
Yeah, the NSX definitely isn't as fast as that, but it's nimble.
This one's really quiet. Sounds like it's like stock exhaust.
Yeah, mine's real quiet too.
Brake. Oh.
Oh, they all got some fitment.
Oh yeah, what the heck? They all out here stance boying. Oh,
I got
squeaks.
stuck.
Oh, yeah, I'm trying to squeak and it's kind of tough. They're hitting. Oh, this one's like louder than the Civic.
That was ruthless. My bad. Unbelievable. Brakes.
Oh. Shit, I'm such a bad chaser. I need to get better. I'm only chasing.
We out here improving, dude.
Gotta get better, yeah. Whoa.
Oh, fuck.
Going straight.
Alright. Tunnel. This thing's so quiet. You're like skating all over the road.
Oh, damn. I just spawned it in the freaking truck.
You're lagging, dude.
Hard.
Okay, boys, V10 gang.
Where you at?
Right behind you. Oh, what the hell?
Nice.
It moves.
It does.
Oh, what?
Where you at?
You passed me.
Oh, did I?
Yeah. I see you. Right behind you.
Alright.
V10's nuts.
Oh yeah, the on the hood POV sounds so good.
I'm right
You
in
hear
the
like the
first
crackles
person.
and burbles more.
Are you in, where are you?
It just won't let me be ahead of people, dude.
That's crazy.
He'll just keep pulling. I'm just... Y'all are gone, dude. Oh, then it let me, dude. Crashing, crashing, and we stray.
Oh my god. I just maxed this thing out in 6th gear.
Damn.
Holy shit. Launch control life?
This one can be manual. Ooh, spits flames.
You can use the dash in this. I just clicked on Spotify.
What?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can open up like pictures in your computer and stuff on certain cars.
Really? Oh, this one has a backup camera that works?
It's crazy, right?
Super.
I was watching, what is this?
Slap Train?
Slap Train, yeah.
He's the best. Oh my god.
Oh, snap.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Oh, crashed in the Tunski.
I'm pulled like after the tunnel, go a little bit, and then there'll be like a pull off to the left.
Somehow, me and Eli are driving the same car. What? That's crazy. Let's get it.
Yeah, they sound identical and everything.
It's the same
Exact
thing.
Same car.
That's crazy.
I was like, wait. How is this a thing?
I don't know, dude. I went straight and crashed.
Alright. Oh. I see the smoke.
Oh yeah. You're zooming all over the road.
Damn. I'm behind you guys.
Your lights are off.
Oh,
So are
no.
mine. Oh, the interior lighting is sick.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, it is sick.
No, land
Yeah.
upright. Oh, I got pitted. The lip. Whoppa!
Ah.
I see.
You wanna take the off ramp?
I don't know wherever these guys are going. Let's squad up.
Okay.
Yeah, they're going off the off ramp.
No, he hit me on the other side.
Oh no.
Shit.
I'm on my way.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
zoom in. Oh.
Just nicked him, huh? Alright, did you get ahead of me?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm right here.
Alright.
Right into the tunnel right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I guess I'm behind you.
You just lagged behind me, yeah.
Oh, I'm crashing. Oh, we're good, we're good. Oh, we're farther back now.
What the hell?